We're the 6th grade math students, and we're going to show you the behind the scenes look. We'll be discussing how our math concepts help us create the light and shadow effect for our Infusion concert.
Did you realize that the shadow effects used in the theater are all dependent on the variables of distance or angle to have the desired shadow size created?
We wanted to determine the effect that an angle of a light hitting an object had on the shadow. We adjusted the light up in 6-inch increments and noticed there was a proportional relationship.
The data that we gathered from the dependent and independent variable that was every 6 inches higher the light was tilted to hit the object, it would make the shadow 2 inches shorter.
It creates special effects by measuring. It creates special effects by measuring the distance or how close it is from like the light source. And if you really want to think about it, you can use distance as their objects to make them look bigger when they're really not. The closer the object is to the light source, the bigger it appears.
Yeah, and this can make the object so big, like bigger than you ever could make it, and you can make it like as tall as this.
Like in the movies, they usually cast bigger shadows, so we're going to use that in the Infusion concert to make things look bigger.
When studying the relationship of the distance of the light from the object and the size of the shadow, we learned that the closer the light is to the object, the larger the shadow appears, but we didn't notice a proportional relationship.
From the data that we gathered from previous measurements, we figured out that this was not proportional. If we were to go back 2 inches, it would not turn 2 inches taller.
When we moved our object equal distances and it gained 10 inches each time, the height of the shadow was different for each one.
The trials we did with various increments of distances from the light source shadowed the same results of no proportional relationships.
We hope you enjoyed learning about the math relationships that are used for the theater effects you are seeing tonight.